Hello, Red Devil parents. We are going to go over how to register for an amazing opportunity being offered to the parents of students within the Marlboro County School District. This opportunity is being brought to us by the Insight Education Group. The Insight Education Group are offering free trainings and workshops to help our parents with schooling their students online at home. To get to the free training, you only need to go to the McCall Elementary Middle School Facebook page and click on a posting from September the 18th that looks like this. The posting should read, "How to be an effective home learning coach." To register for the free trainings, you only need to click this link for registration. Once you arrive to the Insight Education Group's website, you will see some information about the trainings or workshops being offered to you and how they are created to help parents help their children with online learning. Each training that is being offered will be offered for 90 minutes and are held live Zoom meetings. To register for the trainings and workshops, you only need to complete the registration form. So you will enter your name, your email address, the district that your child attends school, which will be Marlboro, the grade level that your child is in, and how you heard about these trainings and workshops. Next, you will need to select the session you would like to attend. There are several sessions listed on the website. A few of them include the role of the home learning coach, structuring the learning environment, motivating your student learner, asking the right questions, and supporting your learner through K-3 ELA literacy. There are also several other workshops available for your choosing. Let's say I wanted to attend the workshop or training on motivating my student learner. I would need to select a time and a date on which I want to attend the Zoom meeting. And as you can see, there are several options available. Beside each training date and time is a price of $49. However, when we go down to the bottom of the page, you will see something that says running total $49. Whenever you apply your discount code of Marlboro 2020 and press apply, the $49 fee disappears and your new total is now $0. To continue registering for the workshop, you simply click Save Registrant, and then you will continue to billing. Next, it's going to take you to a page that summarizes the session that you chose to attend. It will list your total fee, which should be showing as $0. It will also list your registration information and where they can send the confirmation for the workshop. Submit. Next, you shall see that your registration was completed successfully. You will also get an email notification from Insight Education Group notifying you of the time and date of your session and workshop. You can print this confirmation for your personal records, or you can access this confirmation from your email address. You are able to attend as many workshops or trainings as you would like using the code Marlboro 2020. Should you experience any problems in registering for a training or workshop that you would like to attend, please contact Ms. Aline York, our parenting educator here at McCall Elementary Middle School. The phone number is 843-523-5371. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.